In a few seconds, she'll be open. Come on, buddy boy. All right, let's get to a reasonable tick chart here. That's too fast. 500 will do a lot better. A reasonable. What's it going to do when it comes for? He's going to break right here because we're looking to short this thing. Maybe I'll let the first 5 minutes just chill out for a second here. Yeah, you better. This thing's firecrackered up, boy. 5 minute, look at that. It was breaking out. Exponentials were getting the 1-to-1, but now it's doing this on the open. Let that first 5 minutes settle in. We have a pivot level down there. We could still break that, eventually get that to go down, but right now we don't need to jump in this right now at the moment. Right now we don't need to jump in. Excuse me. It looks like a decent little sell-off, though. We might see a good little sell opportunity right here. Actually getting it up higher like that was a better bet. Not on the breakdown, but wait till it comes up higher. Almost thought about that. Oh, it would have stopped me out. A couple ticks, though, when you do it like that, you only get a small little loss. Okay, what's the day going to hold for us? Yeah, that first 5 minute candle's got to settle down. Look at that, right back down. Oh my gosh. I'll give it a try right there.
Order filled.
See if it'll work. Gosh, that's loud.
Stop filled.
I got stopped out. Okay, we try to get that breakdown right there with the green bar ignored, but I said let the 5 minutes settle. Oh, we're trying decent trade setups, though.
Order submitted.
I'll try it again, actually, right here. I'll try these breakdowns. All right, there's that opportunity again to short that as it comes back up, and you only have a small little stop loss if it doesn't work out. Oh, it would have stopped out again, but both of those wouldn't even equal a whole stop loss on some of these other trades.
Order canceled.
Trying to get it short right here, stopped out, but look where it ended up hitting target. Try to get it short right here, and this off this pivot, it went up, and I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't come back down. So trend line breaks might be best for this right now, because everything is still bearish. Technically, everything's kind of like sideways and choppy. Man. Well, 5 minutes is over.
Order filled.
See if it'll go. Come on down. Come on. Come on down. Keep going, 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 keep going. Break even. It would have broke even had I put it on break even. All right, we're going to put it on that pivot level. Come on, man, give me something. Come on down. Come on down. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Break this pivot down here. You've already chopped enough. Come on, let's go, go, go. Break down, 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 break down. There you go. Break it on down. Break it on down. Break it on down. Come on. You've already broke down. You've already went up there. You've already gone up there. Let's push this level. Come on. Push this level. Come on down. Come on down. Brutal. Come on, Bubba. You've already swept those pivot levels up there. Let's go. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down this way. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on, break down this way. Come on, you've already gone up there. You've already gone up there. I'm going to break even because this thing is... Come on, there. This is the way to go. Right here. Come on down. 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 Come down to this pivot level right here.
Stop filled.
Dang, break even. Oh, it would have stopped me out, so I'm glad I broke even on that. It's too sideways. Why am I trying to... Stop trying to sell it here. Trend line breaks are decent, though. Trend line breaks are working. Trend line breaks are working. Even wait for the first 15-minute candle, maybe. Who knows? This is the textbook of a sideways, choppy market. It might be ready for a pullback. I mean, these charts have gone down quite a bit if you look at them. Quite a bit. Quite a bit. I can't touch it until it breaks this pivot down at the bottom now, and I just can't. That's nothing. That pivot level's nothing. It needs to break the other pivot level down to bottom. But the trend line is working. Trend line breaks are working. Trend line breaks. Trend line break. Trend line break. Trend line break.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Got in too early. See if it's going to keep going right here.
Order submitted.
It already broke the level and came right back up. You'd think there would be a lot of stops down there to run. That's too high now.
Order canceled.
Okay, so those pivot levels don't matter. This is the next pivot level. Trend line break. I'm going to start getting the trend line breaks, man. Trend line break. Okay. That's very rangy, choppy for me to try any kind of trend trading at the moment. Breakouts are not working. So forget the trend trading, forget the breakouts for now. Trend lines and range trading are the only trades are going to work. Trend line breaks and range trading are the only playbooks setups that I can use at the moment. Potential exponential if it keeps going here. It's got this resistance area right here. That's where the 5-minute failed. 5-minute failed up there at the trend line. If it wants to engulf that and take out the whole thing, we could see a nice run back up to the upside, up to the next, up to today, the previous day's level low. It could go up there. See what happens here at the break. If it breaks out of this box, it may just be whipping up and down. Hit the high, sweep the low, sweep the high, sweep the low, and continue to just go sideways. Oh, I almost bought it. You gonna keep going?
Order filled.
Red bar ignored. Let's see if it'll keep going. I'll do a red bar ignored on it. Keep going. Keep going. We got a red line at the top here. We can see if it'll go up that high. I don't know if it's going to shoot straight up there, but where's my stop? Come on, buddy. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Don't fail yet. Hit that 20 and keep right on going. Hit that 20 and keep right on going. Hit the 20 and keep on going. Come on, hit the 20 and keep right on going. I think my stop is in the wrong place. Brutal. Under this one? Yeah, let's put it under that one. And we got a target way up here, so it's okay. Come on, keep going. Red bar ignored, keep going. Ugh, what an engulfing candle. Ugh. Ugh. See if the 5-minute holds out. No, it's brutal. I'm getting suckered at both sides of this thing. Well, I'm gonna have to wait. Let's see, see what it does. I'm gonna hope it bounces off these pivots right here. That's what I really hope it does, but we'll see.
Stop filled.
Gosh, dog it. Hitting the trend line. Break the trend line. Let's see if it'll go down the other way. If it breaks this trend line to the upside, we might have something.
Order filled.
Keep going. Come on, red bar ignored. Keep going. I want it to get back up to this level up here at the top. That would be a nice reward on that bad boy. Maybe this is where it's going to bounce off those pivots. I like the higher tick chart. Come on, let's get it back up over those momentum lines. Let's see what we got. Get up there to previous day's high, low, which is the red line at the top. That's the target. Maybe we finally got the right direction after getting stopped out several times. I don't know, but this is it. I'm going to hold it here. We got a big pintail. We got a big engulfing candle on the 5-minute chart. We've got pintails on the 15-minute. Hopefully, and we're looking for it to go to the red line, which is previous day's low. It has gone down a lot. So, that's, what is that, about a 50% pullback or so? It's reasonable to get somewhere near that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. It's just so choppy right now. We don't know what it's going to do. But 5-minute, it broke out over the trend line, tested it, stopped me out on that one, and then we got back in it on the trend line break. On this chart, trend line break, red bar ignored, continuation to the upside, got back in it, but we'll see. It could stop me out again. I'm going to take every reasonable trade that I see, and eventually one of these reasonable trades, if it's a reasonable trade, it will work. And I don't know how many times I'm going to get stopped out first, but that's okay. If it's a reasonable trade, it's not going to bullhorn forever. Tick you out on the top, tick you out on the bottom, tick you out on the top again, go back to the bottom, tick you out again. Eventually it'll pick a side. But the question is, will you have enough bullets left in your will you have enough ammunition to keep firing? We'll see. We will see. I should maybe not think about holding for, I forgot what I'm dealing with here. I'm dealing with a red day, but I might be asking too much for it. Let me see what a 3R return would be here. I might not get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6. So maybe I should be happy with, I mean, if we look at the 5-minute chart, I mean, where's the next real resistance level at though? Well, it's kind of hitting it right here. Yeah, it's kind of hitting it. Well, it didn't quite hit it yet. Didn't quite hit it yet. Where are we at? Come on, man. Trying to get somewhere here. Let's just call it this. If it can get up to that maybe and hold. How much do I get on that? If I get a 2R return, should I be happy? I mean, maybe. Maybe I should just be happy with that. I don't know. If it gets there, woo, I mean, you know, be happy. Be happy with that. Or I could go to break even because that last pivot level is come on, buddy, get up there now. I need you to have a winner, man. I need you to get a winner. I've been getting punched in the face. Okay, there's that. Just keep going, bro. Keep going. And now it's over that pivot level. That's good news, actually. Praise God for that. Keep going, man. Let's see what you got. Keep going. Keep going. Just don't come down and break me even. All right? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Ah, these ugly, ugly red drops are just violent. Keep going. Come on, it's a nice pattern you got going there. Don't give up yet. It's got to take out the sellers at each level, and you get a little resistance. It's got to take out the sellers. Each pivot level's got somebody waiting to sell, so if it's going to reverse and keep going, at each level you should see a reaction. Hopefully it won't react too far down here. Man, I hope it keeps going. There's 3. I'm going to go to break even on it. Hopefully it'll keep going up. Come on, man. Keep going up. You choppy son of a gun, you. Still making higher lows and higher highs. Let's switch to this chart. Goodness gracious, that thing's choppy. Ugh, red bar, green bar, red, but it's still going up though. Ugh, go up. Man, I do not want to see it come all the way down here. Keep it a couple pivots back. Ugh, nasty red candles.
To react to it. Obviously, I wish I got out at break even, because then I could have just taken this trade at 220 and I already be up 20 points, stop at break even, and it would be a freebie play. So another day and another example of how my entries are just like not really my reaction time to these entries and some of these fast moves. It's something I want to improve on for sure.
Well, you're doing good. You said we all lose.
Yeah.
Do this with crude, $93. Ooh, try pop crude again there.
Come on, bro. Get up there for me.
$3.16.
Come on.
We see another round of buying here in the Dow. Again, Dow, in terms of correlations, very sensitive. -8.8 inverse correlation. Dow to crude oil. See a pop in crude here. Back above $93.
Yeah.
Do a little
Order
Cover it.
I'm
filled.
gonna take what I can get. That thing's
Yeah,
starting to
could
go
be.
roll here. I'm gonna take what I can get. Come back down from
Profit
350
taking, perhaps.
or
Look at
whatever it was.
look at the ladder here. ES.
See, it started pushing.
20 in the
I
bid,
don't
20
like
in
it to
the
push
ask.
below that.
There you go.
Each
Roll
stop was
over.
higher
Gold.
and higher. It was
A little
higher and
profit taking
higher.
here now, off about 10
Right
bucks
here.
off of the highs.
I don't
There
want
you
it to
go.
break that pivot, bro.
That
I'm
looks
sorry. I
good.
just don't.
So initial pop there. Crude, seller snap back. And 50-cent pop in crude up to 93.50, right back down to 93.15.
I only took them out. So.
Right, this thing. Some more follow through. No further headlines. Here we go. Iran has reviewed the U.S. proposal that had been conveyed to Iran via Pakistan. So, getting some specifics.
Short one.
Not short.
Yeah.
The price. Look at that.
Right here, right now, 81.50.
All right.
You want to?
1.8.
This is gonna be a really tight stop.
Huh.
Yeah, I don't want to turn this into
There you
a
go. There you go.
loser.
There you go. There's your pop in
Trump
crude.
speak.
There's your pop in crude. We get the Iran's assessment that it is a one-sided and unfair, serving only the United States and Israel's interests. We're getting initial response, which also, yes, again, the senior Iranian official. Iran's assessment is that the proposal is one-sided
Look at
and
that. So when it's got
unfair.
me out all the way down here.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Yep, now we're seeing some
Mr.
selling-
Long
Another
Short.
red day, bro.
You were
selling
correct.
gold,
It's
selling gold,
zero.
selling equities. There is still no arrangement for negotiations and no plan for talks appears realistic
you
at
haven't
this
stopped
stage.
out
We're
on
seeing
the
the
tick.
response
So, welcome to the NASDAQ.
from Iran.
Welcome to the NASDAQ. I would have been stopped out on the tick. That's hilarious. That is marvelous. Yeah, I would have been stopped out right on the tick and it would have ticked right back up, boy. Welcome to the NASDAQ. Hope you love trading the NASDAQ. Yeah, it went right down and swept those pivots. It just had to come down to underneath that green candle right there and grab the whatever stop losses are there. And that's where my original stop loss was. I kept trailing it, and then I realized, you know what? It's starting to roll here. Well, I like the idea of what I was looking at. If it starts to cross over, these moving averages start to cross over, price crosses over, and it can't get back up, and then it pushes lower, get out. Just get out of the trade. Get out of the trade. Like I got in right here on the trend line break. Red bar ignored, trend line break, came back down, tested that area, and it never really crossed under and pushed too bad. Like the movie, a little teeny bit here, it was going slow enough for me to be patient. Here it did, and that's, once it got up over here, I said if it breaks it again, I don't want to stay in it because it couldn't stay over the top. It's just that kind of thinking. So here we are back up over the top. Look at this. Unbelievable candle formations here. $10,000. Let's get to 10,000 here. Okay. Look at that. Unbelievable. Ooh, it looks bullish though. It does look bullish. It does. I'm not gonna lie, it does look bullish. But can you figure out how to get in this thing? I mean, we might have the direction right, but my goodness, if you don't have the entries and sniped in real precisely. Do we have something here? Yeah, I like it. The range is so dang big, but that's the problem. The range is so big. Trendline breaks are working good on this today. Just grab whatever you can get on the trendline break, I think. See, all these trendline breaks would have got something to the upside. So if it's going to continue with that behavior, I need to just go ahead and use some trendline breaks. We got a big engulfing candle on the hourly chart. Big engulfing candle, 1, 2, 3, 4. It engulfed 4 hours worth. Even though it's trending down, that's a pretty substantial candle formation. Hour chart's got a nice little candle. It could keep rolling down though. The day is a red day and it's below everything. It's below everything. Unless this day is going to turn out to be a big pintail reversal day, which it could, we should stay short-minded. We should stay short-minded here.
Interest to get things moving as they were before, even Iran's. So I think eventually the market's going to work it out. Just have to get through this rough spot, and I think we'll be looking at lower prices later this year.
Interesting. To that point, looking for stabilizing oil prices as well. We did see
bounce, but also sometimes we've seen this double situation where they sweep this low, they sweep this high, and then they go in the first direction anyway after freaking everyone out. There was just like a lot of sitting buy orders there. That's why this happens, is people have the buy orders right below the low, and that's why you go right below, and then it bounces pretty hard. But we are not out of the woods yet, team. We are not out of the woods yet. So looks like the drop in the pop was Iranian state media. Jesus.
Watch your mouth. Already, you're running your mouth.
All right.
Order
I'm
filled. Order submitted.
Would love to scalp out one at 55 here. Just got in at 88. That's a 30-point trade. That's $600. The other entry was here at 220. I could leave that stop at break even. My
It's
fill
hard
is
for me
right
to
above
do it,
VWAP.
'cause-
So, like I said, I'm playing a 50-50 game here. That is pretty much all
I like
of trading.
that on the lower time
Active
chart,
trading in the
but
short
you got
term.
the 5 minute.
I get that people tell you they could.
I just can't bring myself to short this because you got the 5 minute that's bullish. The exponentials look like they want to go down, and I like that. 15 minute is very strong, reversal looking. So 15 and a 5. Are both pointing up. What a day. Yeah, poked up over the blue line. You'd think it was going to keep going. And it still might. The 15 minute and the 5 minute look very, very strong. And now we have the exponentials looking good in that direction. I think next trend line break, I'm going to try to take it long here. I think I'm looking for a trend line break to that side, yeah. I wish it would come down more, though. I don't want it high up like this. I'd rather have it come way, way down and give me the trend line break. I don't want the trend line break that high. Okay, what do we got? That's low, pretty low. I don't know if I want to take a trend line break or just, yeah, because you got the 5 minute and 15 that are still strong. You should just take the trend line break here. Because it's starting to range out. It's starting to look like a range, sideways range here. Big swings and ranges on it. Trend line break might be the best way to take this. I don't like the 5-minute pintail at the bottom, pintail at the top. It is going choppy sideways. It could just do anything. Typically, I don't want to really trade these particular kinds of markets, but I want to try to, expand some of my other trading ideas. But I'd better use a simulator, which I'm not doing. Not using a simulator at the moment. We're down a little under $100 this morning. Exponentially speaking, it could be breaking down on these charts. I really want to see it push. I'd like to see at least one of these two charts break down with it. Yeah, we got a little sell signal on this particular chart for a trend. I don't know if the trend is established, in my opinion. You got the 5-minute doing this. I'm just not seeing the trend going down at the moment. Not the trend, like the kind of trend that I like to follow. So yeah, you can see right here, you try to short that on the bottom here. Green bar ignored, pivot ignored, boom. There you think that would be a beautiful set. It would be an excellent setup, except we're in this choppy sideways market and this strong move up right here. Trying to sell it in the middle of that is very, very, very tricky. So, all right, I'm going to end the live stream. I'll see you on the next one.